These are some of the common problems which are associated with oral cavity in that dental caries. It is also said to be as tooth decay or cavities. The most common bacteria which are associated with it are Streptococcus mutans, Streptococcus sorbinas, then Lactobacilli. It is a common chronic infection resulting from tooth adherent karyogenic bacteria, primarily Streptococcus mutans, which metabolize sugar to produce acid, demineralizing the tooth structure over time. Permanently damaged area in teeth that develop into tiny holes. It is caused by breakdown of teeth due to acid made by bacteria. Tooth decay starts when food particulates remain stuck in the teeth. Food particulates combine with sugar present in saliva start producing acid in the teeth. This acid production harms the teeth enamel and weakens the root. The causes may be the accumulation of food, bacteria, then fermentation of the sugar in saliva, then lactic acid का release होना, then breakdown of minerals which that are present in enamel. इट हाँ अफेक्ट द इंटरनल कंपाउंड डेंटिन पल्प टिश्यू ट्रीटमेंट में हम क्या है फ्लोराइड ट्रीटमेंट हो गया फीलिंग हो गया क्राउन्स होते हैं देन रूट कैनाल्स ये सारे ट्रीटमेंट हो गए टूथ एक्सट्रैक्शन हो सकता है ओके नेक्स्ट इज द पेरियोडेंटल डिजीज गम डिजीज डैमेज soft tissue and bone that suppose the teeth loosen the teeth or weaken the teeth bacteria which causes this is Porphyromonas streptococcus actinomyces gingivitis. It is non-destructive mostly in children inflammation of gingivital tissue at the neck of the teeth among adult early stage of gum is more prevalent. इट इज़ कैरेक्टराइज बाई दी मतलब इसमें क्या होता है रेड कलर का गम हो जाता है सूज जाता है ब्लीडिंग होता है ये सारी चीज़ें पेरिडोंटाइटिस में क्या होता है अनट्रीटेड जिंजवाइटिस प्रोग्रेस होता है तो उसे हम पेरिडोंटाइटिस कहते हैं इट इज़ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पॉकेट और स्पेस बिटवीन द टीथ एंड गम साइन एंड सिम्टम्स में हम देखते हैं पेनफुल चीविंग हो सकता है देन एक तो गम सूज जाएंगे ब्राइट रेड होते हैं gums that are tender when touched, gums that bleed easily, gums that pull away from your teeth, and your teeth look longer than the normal teeth. This is all about the common problems which are associated with the oral cavity.